Gut, awesome. Totally cool. I think is really great. In my experience, science works the best when it is accessible and as transparent as possible.
I think it's about time. I think that in astronomy, it's so important that source code and data be open. I believe very strongly in that.
I think it's fantastic. I think this is the way that science should be going, right? We do science for the public, we do science for the greater good of all of humanity, and we need to make that science accessible to everybody.
I'm getting a variety of feedback from different parts of the community. I've noticed, first of all, that the number of people accessing our journal articles has risen substantially. Great. I think most authors are pleased with the extra exposure.
The journals being open access mean that the hundreds of thousands of people who are fans of space and like to explore alongside those of us lucky enough to get paid, get to follow along. They get the real stuff, the same things that the scientists are consuming.
I think the new open access has been really fantastic. So I've always been pretty faithful to the AAS journals. I've published in a couple other journals as well, but AAS I've always had the best experience with, both on the editorial side and then the refereeing, reviewing that they get.
There's a lot of new research coming out right now, so having as few barriers as possible to reading the research is only ever going to be a good thing.
We are incredibly excited about this. Making federally funded research publications open access is one of the goals of NASA, and making taxpayer-funded research open and available to everyone is one of our requirements.
It is very important, especially nowadays, that information of quality is delivered to everyone. And this is key, especially now that social media are changing so much the way of gathering information, of spreading it, of interpreting it. However, if people can directly access the most reliable sources, this can make a whole difference.